He's determined to get over there, isn't he? He's nearly done it. Yeah. Hey! Made it. Well.
So, day 2 of the off-road build-up.
We're back. The digger is ready. We've got the pruners, we've got the loppers, we've got the chainsaws.
We've got the expert team. So, Neil Watterson's here from Land Rover Life. We've got Mick, who's pruning, he's from the showgrounds.
Yep.
We've got Peter on the digger.
Eddie Prescott's
and
here.
Eddie Prescott's arriving. So, Eddie's going to show us how his Discovery TD5 drives around here.
Yep.
And obviously we're just going to make the course that little bit better. So we finished up yesterday, didn't we? Driving around the course in darkness.
We did, yeah. We thought we'd do a little night run, and it was really cool, wasn't it? All 3 vehicles going through with the headlights on through the woods.
Felt like a proper expedition.
Yeah.
It was a really lovely, tight, close course, isn't it? With lots of tiny little obstacles. One of the things we're doing today is elephant footprints, which is my favourite.
Yes, we want to put some obstacles in where people can see them in the spectator area. So we're going to get some elephant footsteps in, so get the axles twisting, and also hopefully a bit of a water splash.
Yes, because the off-road course today is very, very wet because it's raining. We're doing this in the middle of December, but because the show's in July, it'll be nice and sunny and dry, hopefully.
We've pre-booked the sunshine.
We have, yeah. We've paid the invoice on the sun already. There are a couple of bits, aren't there? We've just remembered this side slope that we've got to square off, haven't we?
Yes, and there's also a tight corner we need to make slightly wider just for longer wheelbase Land Rovers.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's not tight for me, but it's tight for this, which we're in a Series 3 long wheelbase.
Yeah.
You're doing a 3-point turn at the moment.
Yeah, we want to try and avoid that, keep the course flowing nicely, but there's plenty to get stuck into. The obstacles that are there are challenging, but we hope non-damaging.
Yeah, the good thing about this off-road course is no one's ever been around it before.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Only the best for the Land Rover Fest.
So we'll go and get a cup of coffee now, go and meet up with Eddie and Neil and see what we can do for the rest of the day. Right, Peter.
Yeah.
This bit's tested me. I can't get up it.
Yeah.
Neil can't get up
No.
it. Although he can come down it,
Yeah.
Martin managed it. So there's a bit of work to be done here, isn't there?
Yeah. We'll get it sorted.
So you're the man on the digger.
Yeah.
So what do you reckon? What
Well,
are you gonna
take
do?
that bit off there and put in here.
Yeah.
And that little lump off there and in there, then try it again.
Because what I found is we were stuck in here,
Yeah.
and then we couldn't get forward momentum
Yeah,
up there.
that's it,
So
yeah.
I'm on all-terrain tyres. Obviously
Yeah.
this is quite wet.
So are you coming down over that bump there and
We'll
then
pro-
into it?
We'll
or not?
probably no. It's gonna.
Oh.
It'll loop round here probably.
Yeah.
So this run-up, we need
Right,
a running
so I'll
area.
take a bit in there, running.
a bit of speed.
Yeah.
So we could, because obviously when this is dry, we'll
Yeah.
walk up it.
Well, yeah.
But no one's driven on this for what?
No.
Quite a few years.
Well, no,
so,
yeah.
You know, it's very loose.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
we will get up this by the end of the day.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks to an expert digger driver.
I'll
so,
get the
yeah,
digger.
Perfect.
I wouldn't say expert.
Yeah. A semi-expert digger driver.
When they press there, if they've got their loved ones taking photos, it'll be the front of the vehicle rather
Yeah.
than the arse of it.
Right. So,
And they're also going over the top, they will
Yeah.
see the showground.
So we want to slant it
so
from
we
where
want
those
this bit
pallets
to be
are.
a bit smooth around here, Peter.
Around where the
Al- al-
pallets.
Almost this slope needs to be sloped down to here,
Yeah.
rather than going into the hole first and doing that.
Yeah.
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 It needs to almost, I don't know how much, that's going to be a lot of soil to move to fill that up.
Yeah.
But,
I'd be surprised it wouldn't take long. Drag that bit where he stood,
yeah,
and then pull that down into there,
yeah. But like, it
and
needs
then
to
the
be-
disc can be all sort of pulled in as long as you just got a run.
Like a smooth bowl
Yeah,
like this,
yeah.
rather than. So if you do have to back up, say if you get in there and say it's a wet one in July, they get there, then they can reverse up this bit and go whoosh.
Yeah.
I would say if you can build it up to about this level,
Really?
Yeah.
yeah, purely simply because, and then make that less steep because we don't want them to kind of have to go that's the obstacle that people want to get photos on.
The final,
Right.
because you could probably have a professional photographer up there taking pictures.
Yeah. Sit him on the tree.
Yeah, yeah. Literally up there, the little tree,
Yeah.
build him a tree house.
Yeah.
We called in for tea.
Yeah.
The other thing we need to do is make it a bit less trial-like, because some bits are a bit, you know,
Yeah.
when you're setting up a RTV trial, it's a bit gnarly, so we need to kind of scrub off those areas. Just
Some of the areas we've been on today. Yeah.
we just
Yeah.
need to make it a little bit less.
There's
Right.
still more of the course to drive, isn't there? Or is that it?
There's a little bit which I've missed in the middle somehow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which I think is those overgrown, the overgrown elephant footprints bit.
Possibly,
we
yeah.
haven't done them yet, have we?
No.
No, we've got to find them.
We've got to find them and dig them out.
And I
Yeah.
think we do, you know, the routes there, the main route across, we need to put some elephant footprints in, purely and simply because it gives,
Slows it up.
Yeah, and it gives the people who are coming to see it, they'll be able to see them going across that. They'll be seeing them going through here, round the corner there. They'll get quite a lot of things to look at.
Yeah, we need so where it is a bit of a flat, we can create
Yeah.
some more bits,
Make it rough.
or like a little.
Just these little holes.
Yeah.
here
Yeah,
and
yeah,
there.
just divots. Yeah,
Yeah.
because you get the feel of,
Yeah.
of this rather than the actual,
Yeah.
and it keeps everyone's speed just nice and under control.
So we're coming out of the woods now, and we're into the more open part of the off-road course here. This is where it's really, really good. If you want to spectate, come to the edge here and you can see all the action from the fence. And we've got to try and power up that slope. I'm going to wait for Neil to do it first, because he'll need that space. Oh, is he going to make it? So close. Just needs that little bit more momentum. Yes, he's made it on the second go. Right. Now I'm definitely going to have to do a 3-point turn here, because there's no way I'm going to make this. That will give me the opportunity to get a bit more of a runner. So, very loose hill, this very loose surface on top. So there's that to contend with, and off we go. Down the other side, nice and controlled. Happy days. There we go.
So as we mentioned earlier, we want to make some more spectator obstacles. We've left Pete on the digger, creating some elephant footprints and some water splash areas. So we're going to have some fun. Well, Pete on the digger and the rest of the team have made excellent progress today. We cannot wait, so join us next week and we will show you the rest of the course with everything in finer detail.